welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the speaker on a Motorola G05 phone. So first, where do we start? We start by making sure the phone is turned off. Never clean your phone while it's on because you could damage it. We slide the phone to the side. It will be more convenient for us to clean because the speaker opening runs from here to about here, so this part is what we need to clean, between the frame and the glass panel. For this, we will need a rectangular brush with flexible, soft or medium hard bristles, so it doesn't scratch the phone. In addition, we will need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, so that it first softens the dirt and then evaporates without leaving any trace. You can get both of these items in a set like this. You can buy it on Allegro or Amazon, or if not, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it's soft or medium hard, because if it's hard, it might scratch your phone. We soak the toothbrush in alcohol. If you don't have a diffuser, you can just use any small container, pour in a bit of alcohol, and dip the toothbrush in it. Hold the phone with one hand, and with the other hand, clean in one direction about 10 times. For example, downwards, so that you go in the same direction a few times. Not back and forth, because if you go right and left, you'll just be moving over the opening, but you won't actually be pulling anything out of it. So about 10 or 20 times in one direction, then the same 10 or 20 times in the other direction to clean the tip from the other side of the opening as well. And so that the speaker is completely clean and working perfectly. It's a good idea to repeat the process 2 or 3 times in each direction. If the speaker is really dirty, this will clean it even better, because after the alcohol dries, cleaning it again will make a much bigger difference, much more than just a single cleaning. But usually a single cleaning is enough to thoroughly clean the entire opening, and the speaker works like new. Unless, of course, it's really clogged with some glue from UV glass or some other powder or something like that. In that case, sometimes you have to try cleaning it 2 or 3 times, and then it will be perfectly clean. After cleaning, you should always set the phone aside and wait about 10 to 15 minutes for the alcohol to evaporate, and only then can you turn it on. So after cleaning, we set the phone aside for 10 to 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can completely evaporate, and then you can turn the phone on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate a thumbs up, likes, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.